Hello everyone, I am happy to be back with you today to launch a brand new course. As always, we are going to learn by doing with a deep dive hands-on project. Many of you are asking, how can I automate Azure resources? How do I build infrastructure faster and more efficiently? In this course, we solve these challenges. I will show you how to use Terraform to build professional environments with speed and precision, using real-world scenarios. Crucially, you will learn to automatically destroy resources when you are finished. This ensures you only pay for what you use, so you can practice on Azure without unexpected bills. Let's continue this journey together. Click the link below to get started. Join me this hands-on project and let's build your Azure infrastructure the professional way. Thank you and see you in the course.